Make a great choice today with
The 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, privacy glass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.